So the object was to build a box for a card magician. We could put 3 packs of cards in it, close it up, and then turn it over, open it up and show that it was empty. So that's quite a simple trick, so really what we needed to do was turn it the other way up and show that it was still empty from the other side. But of course, that's magic. Cutting off the stock to length is a lot quicker just to do it by hand with a nice Japanese saw. To make the box, I designed 8 different carves within one project in easel, which wasn't too difficult to do at all. I've since reduced that to 7 different carves. Fingers get cut on the ends using a jig that I built for the x-carve. If you want to know more about that, want to see a video on that, then leave something in the comments. To accept the sliding lids, one of the ends just needs its top and bottom cut off.